for Yamamuni Akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so na assembly me debate to a year Ghana penny for a idea bia a ya just say Ghana ebuye mino inimtia answer the better as on the subscribe na click the notification bell no and no end the screen so we understand latest news bia ba wonsa ebeka mentiasie na assembly ni obroni bi ewo Kumasi just adie bi akoso na die sin say Kumasi wonam kwan so Kumasi airport accident bi esiye endra na accident ni si wo ho no na police for buy police for air directed drivers intina drivers are said wo mudi speed ban na police for stop you mo say munya boko na monko drivers bi wo ha police for stop you mo ne mo bonko mo che mo say accident intina obroni bia wote ne kam wo ba speed what the speed they ba na say police ni stopping no na say police ni try say accident si wo kwan ni so traffic wo ho intina wo de gina ho for the meantime na yan clear sa traffic no ansa na why den wako eho na wo broni ni buefu afi wa sha se won police ni no kasa by heart say who are you wa hu some bro for kasa who are you or threaten police ni no say wonu broni no wonim ministers wo Ghana ha say wonu broni no wonim say be police ni no ni panyi nti wodi agra wonu police ni kran no say obema ya pame no I say na wo broni wo fi wo krom ba mi kroso na me police mi gina na ada wo broni no wo krom no betumi ni police ni akasa sana ba se na broni ni kasa no so no police ni no wa wonim police for sabe wo mo enye top ranked police for na wo yesa wo mo ebebo hu nti police ni wo bo hu kakra na trese wa ala ma broni no ekoye ba me gidi se police na Ghana ni ala nka police ni no ebe friend nko for ma omo abogana ni no but oye broni ne de wo mo afọ mo sanka no na wo mo afọ mo sanka na broni ni wo tu ka akoye no accident esi na nkrofo egu ho nti broni no wo de ebufu e no de tu ka ni speed na nka wo ye de ka ne tra abo nkrofo na wo mu go ho a se be accident ni nti abrante ba ko wo gina echi na wo hu de ekoso yi no se da bi sesen se broni beba me man so woni police ni ankasa se de mempene nti abrante no obroni ni tu kan ni se wo kwa na abrante ni follow no etiefo enya asem ketwa wo follow na abrante ni ko crossing no ko crossing no na wo stopping no na stopping no tell say masa wo ba me man so any police ni abekasa say obroni ni ana se hwe membe ye wo ho saade no wo ha wudi abrade me de be ye wo no o tell say hwe mimi tumi ba wo man so ni police abekasa sao the effrontery when a mouse akwan no say wo be masa adan me nimpanyi unimpanyi nti den na branch na car open crofo kan ho a wo mo car broni no ni nsagu nechi wo mo arrest it say citizen arrest wo mo citizen arrest wo mo de no echo police station de no come police ni say police ni a branch wo ye hu say na wo yese na ye nim say mo de esanse musuro ni nti no mu enkoche no na yankasa ya che na bremo nti woni mu ne no endi na etiefo police for eda branch na say hey mo ayade citizen we de mo ayade na abrante ne nsema a woka no say be na enye bluffing ne kre na woni mempanyufo ehwa na abrante ne tese wo twi phone ye hu say wo kasa ye be ha ne say Ashanti region regional police commander no wafre police station ho tre the local police commander ne say munja abrante mu nonko na eba security forces to say police soldier immigration they be ayaka say obey before complain will be aware ahead of you emma commander you have no choice than to obey. It's a regional commander what Ashanti region so efre ya waka say wo munjai abrante ni mu nti no wo muntumi anya hwe wo mujai ni mu e ma tre say abrante no okoye na meti asem wo me say Ghana we ya na ma sabi wo bi ebeba ye man so won bu yen se wo broni ni police ni akasa saa na police for ama order na wo tia police no ne order na sabi citizen no ankasa arrest ken life ebia citizen yi wo ko se oni obroni ni koye we obroni na ebia na ko betumi atwetu abo citizen no kra because obeka se ebia ni in ono obroni ni difference no betumi aka se oh ebia no ofili se citizen no ebe robe no because how will you know say anybody no ebe chill Ghana had these things are not normal citizen arrest no it no ebia broni no obetumi atwetu na ko de abo citizen na watre say he felt say na eye Ghana ni no ebe robe no ntia no watwetu ebo no inti Ghana ni no ede ne life wa risking the life akochi ni pakuwe ya ba police commander eti baby afrese munja ni mu na trese abrante no ne kre otumi ne nkrofo edin semfo obedin semfo because onim se odin semfo na wo frɛ police commander sesia no frɛ minister sesia no ye be jai no aden na Ghana for yete sa metumi ahye wo bo aka trese metumi aka trel 100% 200% say Ghana ni pie ni ho asabe wokwa abrochi a wobetumi ni wo broni police bi ekodi sansemfu ya obroni waba Ghana woni ye bedi no Ghanaian wokwa abrochi a police no wo ye foreigner share no Ghanaian can even do that but in crofo we ye peneso ema wo mo ba ye man mu a no mu de yenim ye fom because omo nim say in crofo bi our top positions be support womo. Why should this happen? Why should something like this happen? It's here for and no na menti ase no. Na enye mepe na menti ase Ghana for bebre womo nti asem we ase. Nti womo tre womo adwen so a we be hu ne say yes Ghana for ye. Obi say I know your minister, I know the police commander. Get out of the way. That is what the man said. Or you didn't believe him? LOL. That is the state of Ghana at the moment. Na comment ya nipaku we all my mami explain. Police ni no wakati abrante ne say one twen no ana wakase wo beche abrante no. The abrante ne kate police ni say minimum commander, minimum minister. Free me kwan so na menko e na wo tu kan ne koye. Nti wo bi comment say eno ani asema abrante ne kate na wakati mu no na anyabia mu fi say wo boa na. Wa kire mu indeed say enya ade a wo twa ntro na sisi Ghana yehwemu a eho na ekoduru. We say, don't you see they already granted him bail quickly while he drove dangerously to kill Ghanaians? He has said exactly the right thing to the police commander and ministers who beg for money from all forms of foreign nationals. Now it's here for assembly by no na yebeka somebody we can say man fan kan I've not been fair to the story. Assembly by no na trese a journalist B from Joy FM ene nyama wo mo anti ase nti wo mo call police regional police commander no ekobisa say na ade na say utumi ema order na asema every regional police command ne office ne say abrantie no enye say ye jai ni mu na bill ena ya granting the bill nti trese asem ne de ye de no be court na say he Ghana ha say mo say ye nkola mo chi ni ba ko no sa ade na o say mo de no be bill. Inti commenter will be Mano no. Said, didn't you see they already granted him bail quickly while he drove dangerously to kill Ghanaians? And only Asema will be Eka. Obi say that has been the state of Ghana since 2019. Cheer and only Asema will be Eka. Say mushemu pa. Ghana since 2019. This has been our state. This has been our state. Na asem we no mentiase me no de okay o de ye mo try ma dwen e wo comment box timu e bia asem a me pese me ka no o de ye obi see the minister and the police boss might be in his pocket too. That is why he was released upon a call. Ghana for you. You can't disrespect the police in any other country. Asema na America no. No. Obviously, ministers and police should be dealt with because their bribes collecting is making the citizens look like fools in front of foreigners. He should point to the police and the minister they are referring to so that we know what to do. Montreal Margin, our comment box, motive for me that say.